What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Cale, and I'm the Bearded Entrepreneur. Today, I'm going to talk to you about online arbitrage, or OA for short, and simply how you can make some money while watching Netflix in your pajamas at home. So, if that sounds interesting, stick around and let's get into some OA. Alright, so let's hop into it. Basics of OA, just the bare bones of it. You purchase a product from a website like this, Walmart, Walgreens, whatever. Then you ship it to either a prepper or your house. You prep it, you send it into Amazon, and then you sell it for profit. So let's just hop right into it. Let's show you some basics. So I went ahead and made it simple just because I wanted to save time. I went straight to Walmart. I went to action figures. I went to these Marvel action figures. More than likely, these will be gated for most people. Heck, I'm even gated, but just for the sake of finding something simple, I just went with it. So I found this guy, and I saw that it was on sale and it was selling for $4.97. So then whenever I copied this name, I pasted it in the search bar, I found him, and he's selling for $12. So if we take the buy cost of $4.97, plug it into this trusty little Chrome extension, I'll have a link to this in the description below, we would only profit roughly 44 cents if this thing's completely accurate. Sometimes it's a little off, so it's not 100% guarantee, but you profit roughly 44 cents. So not completely worth it because that's just without sales tax, that's without prepping and shipping, that's without all of it. So more than likely you'd end up busting on this product and you wouldn't make money, you'd spend more than you make. So it's probably a product that you wouldn't want to do. But let's say we could get it for a better deal, so say we could sell it for 20 bucks. And so you would just ramp this up. Say you could sell it for 20 bucks, you actually profit $7.24. So that may be more viable for you, something you'd want to do. So you're looking to buying it. So simply you purchase it from Walmart, send it to either a third-party prepper or your own home, and then send it to Amazon after it's prepped and shipped and prepped and ready to be sold. And then that's just the basics of it. So just continue on, just want to help you out a little bit. This Chrome extension is actually very beneficial because it does a couple of things for you. Besides just giving you if the product's profitable, it actually gives you how much you should probably purchase. So say you came across and you can make loads of money on this, you're going to want to maximize how much you can make by purchasing the correct amount for like a month-long period. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this number, so this is 87 estimated, it's not 100% accurate, but estimated, and you want to take that number and divide it by the number of people competing for the buy box. The buy box is this thing right here, so the buy box is currently at $12. So whenever you click this, you are purchasing this product for $12 from this seller. Whenever you own the buy box, it'll say your store's name right here. And how you can tell is you'll go to used and new, and you'll see who's all roughly in the same area as the person that holds the buy box currently. And however many there are, so say there's 3 sellers, when you jump in, there will now be 4 sellers competing for the buy box, and you will share. So you want to divide this number by 4, which will be roughly 22 sales a month. So you'd want to buy 22 of these Falcons figurines, and that would be your stock for the month. That's just one thing that this thing is beneficial for. So yeah, that'll just give you, that's why this Chrome extension is helpful. It'll give you insight into how many you should buy, whether it's profitable or not, and just give you a lot of information that you wouldn't otherwise have. So along with the Chrome extension in the description, I'll leave a link to Tactical Arbitrage. This is just going to go into more of automation of the OA system in the OA form of selling. Tactical Arbitrage literally scans storefronts for you. It'll scan them in whatever parameters you put into it. It'll spit those out, like the products that match your parameters, and you'll just have to go through the list and order them. And another way to automate, when you order your products that you found with Tactical Arbitrage, you send it to a prepper, because the products have to be prepped in some form or fashion, either by you or by a prepper. You can send it directly into Amazon, but I don't recommend that because each product has to have an F&SKU label, and I highly, highly, highly recommend an Amazon label. F&SKU label because that's just an identifier that is required by Amazon to have, and Amazon label because say there's 250 of these, say there's 500 of these products, for simple math, 500 of these products are sent into Amazon for sale. 250 of them have Amazon labels, 250 of them don't. The 250 of them that don't will all be thrown into a bin of just generic, and those generic can be sold or can be purchased from some random seller. They could be fake or they could be real. But if yours are in that generic pile, and whenever someone buys this action figure off of your store because you have the buy box at the time, Amazon workers, the warehouse workers, they'll go into that bin, pick just a random one, and if it's a fake, whenever it shows up to the customer's doorstep and they open it up and they're like, "This is a fake. This is bullcrap," they'll report it to Amazon, and you'll get pegged with the inauthentic claim, and it'll be on you because you didn't protect your store, and you possibly will lose this source of income because you'll get banned. So it's just not worth the hassle. So the automation step of sending it to a prepper is you send it there, they'll prep it, ship it, get it ready, send it into Amazon for you, and then Amazon takes care of the rest. So simply, the automation of this is all you have to do is open up Tactical Arbitrage, look through the list of products, order them, send them to your prepper, and you're done. They'll get it to Amazon, then Amazon sells it, and you make money later. That's just the beauty of automation. So with that, I thank you. Thank you for getting this far in the video. Hope it was helpful. If it was, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube jargon down in the comments. I'll do my best to get to any questions you have, and I hope to see you next video. Until then, peace. Late.